Hello, guys. Today, I want to tell you a story. Are you ready?
Okay.
The story will be about cars. They went hiking far in the distance. So one day, cars were going on a hike.
Yes.
And they took their small backpacks.
Wow.
Wait, actually, the backpacks were not small. They were really large, like huge. Okay. The tractor was strong and was able to lift his backpack. Never mind, the backpacks were regular size. Not big and not small.
Yes.
So they went. Roger, Dipper, Dumpy,
Cranny.
Vroom. It was summer. Summer is when it's warm and flowers bloom. Summer is when there are many vegetables and fruits growing. And one more thing. Summer is very hot. And the water is warm, so you can swim. And there was a lake nearby. After swimming, the cars decide to hike further. Let's go. Why is everything so yellow? Oh yeah, our friends made it to the autumn woods. In autumn, the leaves in the trees become yellow and begin to fall down. The cars decide to help a squirrel to collect some food. In autumn, nature is preparing for sleep in the winter. So they are all gathering crops and making stocks of food, like our squirrel. See how many tasty things our cars gathered for the squirrel? It seems that this is too much food for her. We will take the rest along with us, just in case. After that, the cars decided to hike even further. Here we go. What is it? It's winter. In winter, it is very cold. Everything freezes and there is a lot of snow. But the cars were not cold at all. Because they were wearing warm hats and scarves. Oh, it's a fridge. But why is it here? There is ice cream in it. But why do we need a refrigerator in winter if it is cold everywhere already? It is better not to eat the ice cream in winter, because in winter it is already cold. Hey Dumpy, you should take the fridge with you, so we can have it for later. Then the cars decided they had enough of the cold winter. We must go on. What is that all around us? Oh yes! It's a long-awaited spring. In spring, it gets warm again. Everything starts to melt and comes to life after a winter sleep. And in spring, the birds come out, and they make their nests. Or is it slippers? No! They make nests. The first flowers grow. They are called snowdrops. Let's take a few as a souvenir of spring.
Yes.
Let's keep going. Look! We've made a full circle, and we're back in summer again. Seasons always follow each other, just like that. Now let's see what we've collected from each season. Here are the things from summer and autumn. And here's the stuff from winter and spring. And then the cars. Oh, it looks like our little friends are asleep already. Let's not wake them up. Tomorrow, we'll have even more interesting stories. Bye-bye.